Hey everyone, check out the Ramona Flowers Canvas Messenger Bag inspired by Scott Pilgrim the World Star. This stylish bag measures 12 inches in diameter and can expand up to 4 inches wide for extra space. The shoulder strap extends up to 24 inches, making it perfect for comfortable, adjustable wear. Crafted from durable canvas, it features 2 compartments to keep your items organized and secure. Inside, you'll find a soft linen lining that adds a touch of quality and protection. The attention to detail and craftsmanship make this bag a unique accessory for any fan or fashion lover. Whether you're heading out or just want to show off your style, this bag has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.